What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Good morning, traders. I hope you're all having a good time. Well, this week, for now, was a pretty nice week. First week that I'm back on the charts. Well, on Monday I closed a loss of around 25,000. On Tuesday I lost around 68,000. On Wednesday I made 290 grand. Wednesday was very nice. Yesterday I lost 127,000, and today I lost around 56,000. Euro US dollar hit my stop 3 times in a row, man. I got faked out on Euro US dollar 3 times in a row. That was pretty bad. Lost around 2% just on Euro US dollar. 2 trades I was too early, and the third one just didn't work out. So yeah, I could have avoided the first 2 ones because I was I was rushing it, you know. But anyways, Dow Jones is good in profit. Yesterday I opened Dow Jones with around $20,000 risk, and it's already up around 190 grand, and it's running pretty nice. I just want to take some of my profits. I want to close the 250 lot position with around 50 grand, just to have a pretty nice result for the week, because the rest of the position is risk free now, and I'm trying to this is Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. I'm trying to get somewhere around in this area over here, you know. And I'm looking for taking the profit. If the market would slash that target, that would be around 280 grand, and that would be crazy. Yeah, let's see how we finish Friday. If we finish Friday strong, would be great. And then we would be overall really good in profit for the week, and yeah, that's the goal. But yeah, this is how it looks like on my side. From now on, I'm around 1% in profit for the week. And let's see how much we can squeeze Dow Jones. And then let's see. If you've missed some of these trades, make sure to check the Inner Circle, the Genius Trading Masterclass. Hop on the team, connect with traders from all around the world. We are more than 1,300 in the group already. And become part of a great team. Learn how we milk these markets, how to get really nice risk-reward ratios, how to get good entries, sniper entries, and all that good stuff. And even if you're a beginner, man, the course is perfect, man. I got everything, even for beginners, to get started, to understand the game, you know. So yeah, that's it, guys. Check the links in the description. Join the free Telegram channel to stay updated. And then yeah, I hope your trading week was profitable as well. And I wish you a great weekend, guys. Peace out.
Every now and then, why you